Sawubona Liam in for bear. Two things most users skip that they should not. First, the acceptable use policy, which defines what AICR is for, what data you can work with, and how you share the resource responsibly. Second, the acknowledgment requirement. If your published results used AICR, you must include a specific sentence in your paper. Both are conditions of access. AICR is a shared research resource governed by two layers of policy. AICR own acceptable use rules and your home institution's policies. Both apply simultaneously. This video covers the four things the policy says explicitly: what AICR is for, what data is prohibited, credential security and staff authority, and the acknowledgement sentence required in publications. These are conditions of access, not suggestions. Four core rules from the acceptable use policy. 1. AICR systems are for research associated with participating AICR institutions and MGH-PCC-supported projects, not for personal projects, commercial work, or anything unrelated to that research mission. 2. No non-anonymized data, and no data subject to security restrictions, data use agreements, or contracts requiring sequestration or encryption at rest beyond what AICR provides. 3. Do not share accounts, keep credentials, passwords, SSH keys, certificates secure. 4. Account holders must follow guidance from support staff on acceptable use. Code of Conduct 3 Rules. Be courteous and respectful to everyone involved in the use and operation of AICR. This includes other researchers, students, and staff. Respect the privacy of other users' activities on the system. Do not attempt to access parts of the system you are not explicitly authorized to access. These are basic HPC norms applied consistently across all participating institutions. The acknowledgement is a condition of access. The docs explain why. Acknowledgement demonstrates the public value of a resource funded by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts and the AICR participating institutions, and supports the case for continued investment. In practice, the AICR team tracks publications that mention AICR to report impact to funders. The specific wording matters because they search for it. Your home institution may require additional wording. Add it before the required sentence, and keep the required sentence intact and formatted as specified. The data restriction rule deserves a full beat because violations are not always obvious. Non-anonymized data includes patient records, personally identifiable information, certain genomic data, and research data tied to human subjects. Data subject to a data use agreement, even one that just requires tracking who accesses it, may need controls that AICR does not provide. If you are working with clinical data, restricted government data, or any dataset that required a signed DUA to obtain, contact your institution's research computing and data governance teams before uploading to AICR. Your turn, paste this into Claude. I need to train a model on a dataset that includes de-identified patient records from a clinical trial, covered by a data use agreement that requires me to log who accesses the data. Can I use AICR for this, and if not, what should I do instead? Then check. Does Claude say to contact your institution's research computing team and data governance office before uploading? The correct answer does not say yes without a check. It names the people you need to consult first. AICR use it right. I'm Liam in for bear.